What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're finally doing the Hybrid Racing DC5 Performance Short Shifter review. So, if you're new to the channel, I drive a K24 swapped Integra. I have, well, obviously a K24A2 engine with a 02 RSX Type S transmission. And what you see in front of you is Hybrid Racing's DC5 Performance Short Shifter. Here's just a quick little visual of it. This thing is just badass. And I also have the spoon knob up top. I remember when I first wanted to go K-Series, I seen everybody with the K-Tuned big billet one, which looks amazing. Like, it looks awesome. Gotta give props where it's due. They designed a beautiful shifter. Well, I don't know, bro. This one just looks sort of like advanced, if that, I don't know, like it just looks so freaking high-tech. Like, it's weird. Like, I don't know, I just love the design of this one. I love the color scheme. The gold is awesome. Now, word on the street is they are coming out with a black colorway of this shifter, so you ain't hear from me. But I do love the gold. It kind of works with my color scheme of my car, which is green and yellow, basically, and then the gold is like a nice accent. Makes me feel kind of bougie that I have a gold shifter. I mean, I ain't trying to flex or nothing, but yo, the gold is hot, son. I feel like I'm in Dubai with Tiger.
Dubai trip on my Dubai.
So first things first, when I first got the shifter, I was hella stoked on it, bro. My boy Akeem run this. I'm on his Facebook page, and they all spoke highly about this. Some people have the no-cut one, but I really wanted this one because of how, bro, it just looks like, it looks fancy, bro. Like, it just looks so good. Like, it's nice to have some style points and nice to have some performance as well. So with this shifter, I wanted the short shifter because it's mounted up, and I feel like, to me, I never drove on the no-cut one, but for me, I feel like this one would be better. Hence, performance short shifter instead of the no-cut shifter. So, I mean, the no-cut shifter is also a short shifter as well, but this is like the, you know, the track spec. And it's hella smooth too, like for downshifts. It's mad short, bro. Now, we're gonna just cut straight into like the good stuff. Yo, Zosh, bro, should I get this shifter or should I get the K-Tune shifter? If you have any friends that have K-Series cars and they have either the hybrid or the K-Tune, or if you have friends that have both, try to drive them. Now, my boy Dale has a K-swapped Integra as well, and he has the K-Tune race spec shifter, the nice one. He let me drive it and did a couple pulls in it. Now, this is my honest opinion, no hate. It was a little bit too loose, like too sloppy for me. It wasn't as notchy as mine is. And again, I'm not trying to throw any type of shade or hate to K2. They make great products. I prefer the hybrid one just because of the adjustments you can do on this shifter. Like with the K2, it looks great. Like the K2 shifter looks great. You got the lockout feature on it that hybrid doesn't have. But all in all, I just love how the hybrid shifter feels, man. It's so notchy. It's just quick to the point, and it's hella adjustable. You can adjust this thing from here, 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 and here. Like, you just can't go wrong. But, you know, I'm not trying to make this video like, oh, yo, just buy hybrid, just buy hybrid, just buy hybrid. I just want to give you guys an honest standpoint of how I feel about the shifter. But for me, just daily driving this thing all around town and taking to Daytona, bro, like, it's such a good shifter, bro. Like I keep stating, you can adjust this thing to like your preferred settings. I have my throat being the stiffest and my side-to-side action being like in between stiff and like not stiff, I guess. And I love it, man. And another good key feature about the hybrid racing shifter is the price point. You're getting a fully adjustable shifter for $380, bro. And if you use my code 5OFFZOSH, that knocks off some money, you know what I'm saying? Save some bones, B. Now, I have yet to take my car to a circuit, and I plan on it in 2019. Like, I plan to take this car, like, I really want to do some autocross / circuit with this car. Like, I want to learn how to actually drive my car, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to go in a straight line for, like, 12 seconds. I want to, like, drive my shit, bro. So, by the time I'll be able to do that, I can actually make another shifter review, like, how well it does, like, you know, cornering and, like, going in straights and then bends and all that other fun stuff. And the fact that it's ball bearing is just, it just makes it that much more smoother, bro. Like, it's just fluid motion, like it's fluid shifts, bro. You should not miss with this shifter, unless you're me, because I just obviously can't drive.
Super facts.
But you shouldn't really miss, bro, at all. I also have upgraded shifter springs and also hybrid racing shifter cables. the GoPro on you, bro. Don't make me flip the GoPro on your plate, boy. Ooh! You trying to clap some cheeks in these Florida streets? That's actually a good one. I put that on the shirt. Clap some cheeks in these Florida streets. Clap some cheeks in these Florida streets. Clap. Oh, he don't want to smoke. So look, if you're indecisive on what shifter to run with, I highly suggest trying both shifters if you can. If you have a buddy that has a hybrid and another buddy that has a K-tune, try and drive both their cars, like doing a pull, daily use, like figure out what shifter is best for you. But if you have a street car and you like, you know, making many adjustments, I highly recommend the hybrid racing shifter, man. If this is a crappy review video, I'm very sorry. I do apologize for that. I just wanted to, you know, get on camera and finally give my thoughts on like how I feel about the shifter. For today's video, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If it's trash, I'm very sorry. I'll make it up for you in tomorrow's video of a POV driving, doing some cool stuff like that. If not, then I'll hopefully have my mom go for a ride in this car because I know that will be awesome for the channel. Link down below to Hybrid Racing if you want to browse their website and maybe pick up some awesome sauce or pick up your very own short shifter. And that is going to do it, boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.